Hello, my fellow spiritual beings having a human experience. This is Cylvia, and this coming Sunday I'm going to be giving a talk titled Imagineering Your Best Life and World at Unity Spiritual Community, Central Oregon. Imagination isn't just about slipping off into childlike fantasy or avoiding what's going on around us. Spiritualized imagination is actually a power that we can hone that enables us to take agency, to gain dominion or self-mastery over our thinking. And as we teach in New Thought, and as I certainly have experienced in my life, how we direct our thinking, how we use our thinking faculty has a huge influence on what we manifest in the material realm around us. Imagination is about really being able to step outside of perceived boundaries, of the bondages that we put ourselves in, and open up to the field of possibility, open up to things that can happen for ourselves, for our loved ones, for our world that might not seem readily available. I will share several stories and personal examples of where I have seen this happen over and over in my life, and I'll share some really practical tools for how to get those spiritualized imagination fluids really moving. So hope to see you there, and in the meantime, go forth and imagine beautiful things. Namaste.